Kling 3.0 is finally out, and it might just be the biggest leap in AI video yet. After years of glitchy clips and half-baked AI renders, this version promises smoother shots, real character consistency, and even in-model audio that actually lip-sync. In this video, I'm going to break down what's new with the Kling 3.0, how it works inside Higgsfield, and why so many creators are hyped even before hands-on generation. The Kling 3.0 is a next-generation AI video engine now available on Higgsfield AI. It's built to turn scripts, images, references, and audio into proper cinematic sequence, not just random clips stitched together. What really sets it apart is how it's trained. Instead of treating text, video, and audio as separate steps, Kling 3.0 uses a native multimodal system, meaning it understands everything as one continuous scene. That's why shots feels connected, characters stay consistent, and the final result looks far more intentional. Now let me show you how to use it in Higgsfield AI. First off, you come over to higgsfield.ai and you're going to see on this section here that says the Kling 3.0. If you used AI video tools before, you have probably noticed faces changing mid-shot, hands breaking or glitching, characters losing identity, text becoming unreadable. Now with the Kling 3.0, you get longer continuous generation, stronger character and element looking, cleaner text rendering, real multi-shot direction, and this isn't just an upgrade in quality, it's an upgrade in structure. With Kling 3.0, dialogue is generated directly inside the model instead of being added later. That gives you actual lip sync, more natural emotional delivery, better timing and pacing, support for multiple languages and accents. Characters don't just speak, they feel directed. So you're going to click on it. These are some videos, so you can see this is how it looks like. These are some videos I generated using the Kling AI. So you can see here, this you have your start frame. This is where you're going to upload your start frame. So I just upload the start frame. Right here is where you're going to upload your end frame. So this side is where you're going to put in your prompts. And you can see here the sound is on. You can turn the sound off or you can leave it on. While here you have your end frame, and you can click on this place that says multi-shot. For the multi-shot, you can combine up to 5 different shots into one video. Instead of generating clips one by one, the Kling understands scenes, manages camera frames, and handles transitions automatically. And you're going to get your duration on 5 seconds. So you can turn on the multi-shot or you're going to leave it. So, and you can see here by the duration, you can choose your duration. You're going to increase your duration up to 15 seconds long, or you can set it to just 10 seconds or even 3 seconds. While for the resolution, you're going to get your 720p or 1080p. You're going to get 720p or 1080p. Why also you have various options. You have the Kling 3.0. You have the Kling 3.0, you have the Kling 3.0 Omni, while you have the Kling 3.0 Omni Edit, which is just like the Kling 0.1, where you can upload a character video to extract key visual traits and evolve the vocal tone. So this is huge for creators building recurring character series or brand content. So that's how the Kling 3.0 Omni Edit works. So most AI tools actually struggles when you pass a few seconds, but the Kling 3.0 actually support continuous video generation from up to 3 seconds to 15 seconds in a single run. And also in Higgsfield AI, the Kling introduces elements. With that element, you can upload images of characters or objects, and Kling will keep them consistent across zooms, pans, tracking shots, and multiple shot sequence. So Higgsfield is clearly focused on one goal, giving creators professional tools without unnecessary complexity. And one more important thing to mention, the Kling 3.0 is currently exclusive on Higgsfield. Right now, there's early unlimited access available, and they are also running a limited time offer that includes 365 days of the Nano Banana Pro with up to 70% off a premium plan. So if you have been waiting for a serious AI video upgrade, this is one of the best times to check it out. So for the Kling 3.0, you can use it for ads and promotional videos, short films and storytelling, physics-heavy action scene, emotional-driven close-ups, text-critical visuals like signage and UI, and multiple character dialogue. If consistency and realism matters to you, this model delivers. Even without generating directly, it's easy to see why the Kling 3.0 is getting so much attention. So this isn't just another update, this is a serious step forward for AI video creation. Check out Higgsfield today and explore the Kling 3.0. The link are in the description and also in the pinned comment. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph from Josie Concepts. See you in my next video. Thank you.